Hello students, my name is Alankrita and I am your science teacher. Hope you all have seen the first video and enjoyed it. In this video, we will summarize what we have learned in the first chapter. So here it's go. So the first point is, what is food? Food is a nutritious substance that people or animal eat or drink or that plant absorbs in order to maintain a healthy life, growth and maintenance of our body. There is a lot of variation in the food eaten in different regions of India. We have also learned that there are two main sources of food, one is plant and other is animal. From plant we get vegetable, pulses, spices, cereals, fruits, oil, etc. From animals we get milk, egg, honey, meat, fish, etc. Salt and water is also considered as sources of food. Now we will divide animal into different categories on basis of their food habit. The first one is herbivore, and we define herbivore as animals which eat only plants are called as herbivores. For example, cow, goat and sheep. Next, carnivore, animal which eat only animals is called as carnivore. For example, tiger and lion. Now, the last one is omnivore. Animals which eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. For example, bear, foxes, and dogs. Now, children, you have to tell me in which category we will keep ourselves. It is like we human beings will be considered as herbivore, carnivore, or omnivore. You have to think over it. At the end of the video, I will discuss this. Now discuss some of the question answers so that we will have a better understanding of the topic. Here the first question is, make a list of food item that you had at dinner and write its ingredients along with source of ingredients. I have mentioned one example here. You have to write down what you have taken as dinner on the basis of this example only. Fine. Now the example is, for example, I have taken kheer as a dessert in my dinner. Now what are the ingredients of the kheer? Rice, milk, sugar and dry fruits. Now we obtain rice from plants, milk from animal, sugar from plants, dry fruits from plants. So in this way you have to write different food items that you have taken in your dinner, and also write the sources from where these ingredients are obtained. Give 4 examples of the following categories of animal: herbivore, carnivore, omnivore. The first thing is that you have to identify these pictures and naming these pictures. Along with that, you have to write 4 more other examples of each category. Now, in the starting of the video, I have asked you a question, in which category you will keep the human beings. So, human beings are omnivores because we have the ability to eat both the things. We can eat plant and animal. So, though animals who can eat both plants and animals, we call them as omnivores. Now, the last question is, name 5 plants and their parts that we eat. I am explaining one of the examples so that you can give the other examples also. First example is mustard plant. Mustard plant you all have heard about the sarso, no? So it is that plant only. Now the parts that we eat in mustard plant are, one is seed and other is leaves. Seeds, you must have seen, as it is also clear in the picture also, sarso. You just go to the kitchen and ask your mother how the sarso looks like. So she can easily explain that. It can be in black color or maybe in yellow color also. So the first thing we obtain is from mustard plant is seeds and other is leaves. Leaves, you all have heard sarson ka saag, makke ki roti. So that sarson ka saag is actually made from the leaves of mustard plant. So here it is the chapter. Now you have to do all these three question answer in a copy. It's not necessary you should have a new copy. If you have your old copy, blank pages, you can write these answer in that copy also. Afterwards, let's see if we will able to do it in a new copy or what can be done.